What's up, guys? Rough morning this morning out here with the giant pumpkin plant. Uh, Probably going to be the last video of this series unless some kind of miracle happens. Uh, but let me get you turned around here and I'll show you what's going on. So if you watched the last video, you know all these leaves were dying, and a lot of you said overwatering. I was doing 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon. The heat was up like 98 throughout the day, so I was trying to replenish that soil because of all the evaporation that was happening through the day, drying out that soil, and pumpkins having such shallow roots. I was trying to keep them not damp, but have available water on hand. Ended up dying pretty bad here in the middle. Stumps right there. All these leaves really just in the process of dying. These are starting to kind of yellow, and whenever I got out here to the pumpkin, he's not gained an ounce. In the last few weeks, he is about 75 pounds. Everybody said cut back on your water, so I did cut back considerably. I was doing like 20 minutes with the sprinkler. I basically didn't fertilize in case I had over fertilized. But then this morning I came out, got him uncovered, was just looking over him, and I noticed that the stem has pulled away from the pumpkin there. So this guy is officially done for. He's good, he's done. No more pumpkin on this plant unless I can go around here and find where maybe one started that I missed that I haven't cut off, and we'll try and see if we can get something out of it, see how big we can get that plant. But I think she's done for. Possibly one silver lining in this is if you've watched some of my past videos, I have a sunflower patch, and although they did not put on hardly any height, they are starting to bloom. So got some pretty sunflowers out here. Bees are going to town on them, just coming in there and pollinating away, which is awesome. But doesn't look like the old pumpkin's gonna make it on this one. So I'm gonna let the pumpkin go for a few days, just see what kind of happens. See if maybe I could get another one started. I highly doubt it. Even this late in the season, I don't think that it will amount to much. Let's see, it's about the middle of July. It's the 16th of July, so we'll see what we can do. But I'm thinking that we're done for on this one. So 75 pounds. I was thinking I was going to get way past that. Not quite sure what happened. I know a lot of people are really pointing to the overwatering. I don't think that's what it was. I think it was a mixture of the heat, and I personally think that I over fertilized it. The salinity, I haven't checked, but the acidity had went up. I did check that, so I was thinking probably with some fertilizing, bringing the acid up in the soil, I'd say all those salts compounded also, and probably led to a little bit of some breakdown on the plant there. Also, if that soil, I think, if that soil was getting too hot, too dry through the day, possibility that maybe it cooked some of the roots in there. Hard to say. Everybody can draw their own conclusion, but that's where we're at. So, might send you another one. I might bring you some more updates from the sunflowers there. And I do have the front yard pumpkin, so we'll see what we can do with him maybe. See if we can get anything out of that. So, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.